Hey guys, JJ here from musicmining.com. Today we're gonna look at how to play a song called Ne bom pozabil na stare čase by a band called Faraoni on acoustic guitar. Let's get cracking. Okay, the song starts off with a very weird intro in A minor that we're not gonna go into because it doesn't really make a lot of sense. So let's go straight to the first riff, which is the chorus riff. The song is for the most part in A major. And we start with the chord A major, going to C sharp minor, D major, D minor, back to A major, and finally sets at E major. Then the guitar stops and the bass guitar does the fill. You could play that or you don't need to play that. Okay, the strumming pattern goes as follows. I have the description of the strumming pattern at my blog page, musicmining.com, so be sure to check that out. It goes like this. Okay, let's put the two and two together. And that's it for the first part. Now let's go to the verse. Now we get to the interesting part, the verses, where there's a lot of string skipping and alternate picking. Now I don't know exactly how the guy played because you can't really hear the guitar because of the synths and all the other sounds in the song, but it goes something like this. First off, let's look at the chords. Again, we start at A major. Then we could go to F sharp minor, but I chose just to add the F sharp to the A major chord to get that sound. It sounds better to me, and I can hear that he plays something something like that. Okay, the next chord is B minor. Again, A major, G major, and E major. Everything together going something like this. At the end of the two verses, there is a small guitar fill that leads to the chorus, and it goes something like this. And then the chorus starts. You should play this, it's kind of nice. Now let's see how everything sounds together. Now we're at the chorus. The chorus has two parts. The first part is exactly the same as the intro we did, so we're not going to play that part. We're going to play the second part, which adds an additional chord. Okay, we start at A major, going to C sharp minor, D major, D minor, A major. Now here comes the new chord, B minor, and down to E major. All together strummed exactly the same as we strummed the intro part. After the chorus, there are two new verses that you can play exactly the same as the first two, but I encourage you to play them with the guitar fills that are quite nice. So let's have a look at them. The first guitar fill happens when we go to the G chord for the first time, and it's exactly the same as the guitar fill before the first chorus. Remember that one? Okay, that's the first one. The second fill happens a little bit later, and it goes here on the upper strings, going from F sharp, E, D, C sharp. The second time I'll go E, D, C sharp, B, and again down to. Okay, I'm gonna play all downstrokes to get a better punch. So everything together will sound something like this. Okay, so much for the fill. Now we're at the second chorus, which is played exactly the same as the first chorus, so you shouldn't have any problems here. The fun starts to happen when we come to the solo. This is where the song shifts from A major to B flat major. Yes, all the chords that you played at the first two choruses now have to be played half step up. Them now being B flat major, D minor, E flat major, E flat minor, B flat major, F major. And the second time around again, B flat major, D minor, E flat major, E flat minor. Then we have B flat major, and then we have C minor, and down to F major. Now let's see how that all comes together, and be sure to check out the cool part at the end of the solo. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I'm JJ from musicmining.com, and I'll see you next time.